Right, in stock now, 2019 on a 69 registration, Mercedes X-Class. This is the X350d. That's the 3-litre V6, the proper Mercedes engine, not to be confused with the 2.3. This has the proper V6 from Mercedes, Mercedes gearbox, Mercedes 4Matic 4-wheel drive system. Very rare truck, and this is a stunning colour. It's called Axinite Bronze Metallic. Absolutely wonderful colour. We sold this a few years ago. We've just got it back now. And it is available. 39,000 miles. These represent fantastic value now. We were selling these of upwards of 50,000 plus a few years back. One of the best looking pickups on the road. It's got our full MA-SV Widebody conversion. Great spec, full gloss black Panamericana grille, all the lower grills in gloss black. We've got this lovely champagne coloured detailing going on. At the bottom of the grille there, we've got the front satin black nudge bar, LED headlamps, smoke fog lamps, full 6-piece wide body kit, colour coded in the bronze. And we've got 20-inch gloss black multi-spoke wheels on a Renegade radar all-terrain tyre. V6 turbo badge into the wings, gloss black mirrors, gloss black bonnet vents with the champagne coloured detailing. Gloss black roof rails, door handles, keyless entry, and if you just look down here, I'm just going to open the door. Electric deployable side steps, they look absolutely fantastic. Privacy glass to the rear windows in a limo tint, and we've got the top tint on the windscreen. Satin black rear roller shutter cover on the back, the mountain top with the roll bar in black. Just look at those arches. Full wide body, these sit ever so aggressively on the road, massive road presence. And what a wonderful colour. Smoke rear tail lamps, gloss black rear bumper. We've got the MA-SV badging to the rear, tailgate protector on the top there, gloss black rear Mercedes emblem, got rear reversing camera. I'll drop the tailgate, it's on a soft close dampener. And we've got a full factory Mercedes-Benz load liner. I'll roll the cover back, all in wonderful order. Flashing points at the side which move back and forth. And these are a great truck. It's VAT qualifying if you're in business. As a commercial vehicle, you can reclaim the VAT still on these. Or if you're just looking for something different, as a leisure vehicle, for family use, they're fantastic. So I'm just going to show you inside. This has got the factory tan interior, which works wonderful with the bronze. And this is heated seats, electric seats with lumbar support. We've got the tan leather to the dashboard and the door cards. Got a custom trimmed steering wheel here in Alcantara and perforated leather with a tan stitching and 12 o'clock marker. Gloss black fascias to the dash as well. So all the gloss black on the dashboard. We've got the larger command screen, automatic, heated seats, heated screen, rubber mats, all as it comes from Mercedes. We've got flappy paddles to the steering wheel as well. And if you look at these buttons down here, some of the options, this has got the parking package. So 360-degree cameras, we've got lane assist as well, push button start, cruise control, Bluetooth audio and phone, and sat nav. And we've also got at the back the little rear opening window, so that's operated from a switch in the cabin and lets a nice breeze through without blowing you around as well. The vehicle's in wonderful order throughout. So it's about 6 years old now. It's in lovely condition with only 39,700 miles. A full history record as well with this vehicle. 2 remote keys. It's in stock now. All the website has all the spec photos, 20+ on there. A fantastic truck. These drive fantastic, very powerful 3-litre V6 X-Class. In stock now with the full styling package. Give me a call 0777 111 2040. Thank you for watching.